my name's Olivia. Today we're going to be making these super cute felt tassel earrings from scratch. Okay, so let's get started in a minute. Hi, my name's Olivia. Welcome to Olivia's workshop. Today we're going to be making these super cute tassel earrings. These are the supplies we'll be needing. Some tacky glue, scissors, a 1.5 inch by 1 inch felt, and you'll be needing 2 of these, tassel caps, and fishhook earrings. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we'll be needing to do is cutting the fringes. And remember to cut them thinly and leave about a 1/4 inch at the top so that you can roll it up. Don't cut it too thin, but if you cut it kind of fat, that's okay because we can always cut it up when it's actually a tassel. Okay, so I already pre-cut this other one, so now I've cut both of these. So now we're going to put a little bit of tacky glue into the caps. Just put a teensy bit. Put it down carefully and put it in the other cap. Okay. So now I'm going to put that back on. So now you're going to roll up these tassels and you're going to roll them super tightly so that they can fit into the tassel cap. Okay, I rolled it up. Now you're going to push it in. And that's it. Okay, now I'm going to do the other one. Roll it up pretty tightly so that it can fit in. And then push it in there. Okay, so make sure to let the glue that you put in dry. And as you can see, these fringes are skinnier and these ones are a bit fatter. So I'm just going to cut them down so that they're about even. Okay, so now we're going to put our fish hooks in. And I'm just going to tighten them a little bit so that they cannot come out and fall off. Push. Okay, so now I've done both of the earrings. Those are your tassel earrings. Thanks for watching. Bye. Hope you enjoy them. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell button on the bottom. And if you like my videos, follow my YouTube channel. Bye. Thanks for watching.